Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with me. Welcome to Risha ma'am online preschool. So children, in today's class, we are going to learn about the difference between the alphabet pronunciation and the phonic sounds. So first, let's go through the alphabet pronunciation. Okay. Look here, I have the small case letters from A to Z. When we talk about the pronunciation of alphabet, this is what a nursery child should learn. Look here, the pronunciation of alphabet first, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, it's not K, it's K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright children, so this is called the alphabet pronunciation. Now let's learn the phonic sounds. What's that children? The phonic sounds of these small case letters. So let's begin. Come on everybody, I want everybody to repeat after me. Okay children? A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time. Let's learn the phonic sounds, okay? A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the phonic sounds of English alphabet. Now, can you see those some letters which are highlighted children? Yes, there are some letters which are highlighted. Can you read them out? The letters which are highlighted now? Yes, those are A, E, I, O and U. What are these called? These are called vowels. These are called vowels. And now for Junior KG and Senior KG children, we here in our online preschool introduce the short vowels and long vowels. Okay, so today I am going to teach you a little bit of short A sound. Okay children, before I start, I would like to tell you all parents that we have online preschool classes for nursery, junior KG and senior KG students. So parents who are interested in joining our online classes can WhatsApp me to the number given in the title or in the description box below. We have phonics in our junior KG and senior KG syllabus. In today's class, I am going to teach you a little bit of short A sound which is there for the junior KG class syllabus. So let's begin. Now see children here, these pink color highlighted letters are called vowels. Vowels. Can you all repeat it after me? Vowels. What are the 5 vowels we have? A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowel sounds. We have short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. In today's class, we are going to learn about the short A sounds. So let's begin. So look here children, on this chart I have those 7 important short A sounds that you must learn to blend. Okay, alright. So if you can learn these 7 blending words, you will be able to read almost about 50 three-letter words. So let's see how is that, okay? Come on children, let's try and blend these 2 letters together. Ab, 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 add, 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 add. Can I have you all repeat it after me children, please? Add, 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 add. Then we have ag, ag, ag. Then here we go. Am, am, am. Then we have an, an, an. Then we have app, app, app. Then here comes at, at, at. So these are the 7 short A blending words which are very important for you to learn about 50 three-letter words. Okay children? Now once again, this is the Junior KG syllabus which we have in our online preschool. So parents who are interested in enrolling your kids to our online preschool, please do contact me for more details. Alright children. So for today's class, you have to be prepared with these short A blending words. Okay, I'll see you again in the next class. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye children, take care.